Shanghai Pudong is one of two airports in Shanghai and mainly serves international flights and airlines. By Chinese standards, Pudong Airport, as of October 2024, is actually quite old, and there are already plans to build a new terminal. After getting off the plane, depending on which gate you disembark, your walk may vary, but in this case, the gate is relatively close to immigration and passport control. As a foreigner, follow the respective signs. Where the first step is to use these machines to capture your fingerprints, this saves time later at the passport control line. You also need to fill in a landing card. Usually you will get these on the inbound flight, but if you didn't, then you can get one and fill it out here before heading to passport control. Make sure you fill in all the required information, because the passport control officer will tell you to fill it all in if you don't. You then follow the signs and people for the next step. If your passport is from one of the countries that are eligible for visa on arrival, you can get it here before proceeding. Check with your local Chinese consulate before flying, since the list of eligible countries and conditions of this type of visa could change. The next step is the health check, which is basically a thermal camera that takes your temperature remotely and flags people who may have a fever. Make sure you take off any hats or caps here. You then go through passport control, where they check your visa and entry eligibility. Most airports don't like passengers to film here, so the footage is limited, but essentially you line up, go in front of an immigration officer, take a picture, get your passport stamped, and you're all set. Once past immigration, you can proceed to the baggage claim area. Check these monitors to find out which carousel your luggage is coming out on. There is also a duty-free shop and a place where you can get a local SIM card. Once you collect your luggage, proceed through the customs area. After that, you arrive at the main meeting area of the airport. If someone is waiting for you, they will likely be here. Look for signs with your name on it. You will get lots of people offering you taxi service. There are lots of airport signs telling you not to take their offers, but it's up to you whether you want to negotiate a price for their service or go to the taxi line. Just follow the signs for taxis or ride hailing. There is also an arrival center where you can arrange hotels, rides, or even buy a SIM card. If you're taking a train, bus, or metro, or going to a domestic connection, just follow the signs. You can also take the maglev, which is one of the fastest trains in the world, and takes you to one of the central metro stations. It's probably one of the fastest ways to get from the airport to your destination. And that's it. Welcome to Shanghai. If you found this video useful, then please press the like button or leave a comment to encourage us to post more. Or even better, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.